Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his first visit to Varanasi on Tuesday after being re-elected as the Prime Minister for the third consecutive term, released the 17th installment of the PM Kisan scheme amounting to more than 20,000 crores to around 9.26 crore beneficiary farmers. So far, more than 11 crore eligible families have received benefits of more than rupees 3.04 lakh crore under PM Kisan scheme. During the event, the Prime Minister also granted certificates to more than 30,000 women from self-help groups, the SHGs at Krishi Sakhis. Krishi Sakhi Convergence Program, the KSCP, aims to transform rural India through the empowerment of rural women as Kisan Sakhi, by imparting them training and certificates of Krishi Sakhis as para-extension workers. This certification course also aligns with the objectives of Lakhpati Didi program. PM Modi has arrived in Kashi. This is the first time after the 62 years of independence that a politician of the country has taken oath as Prime Minister after winning the election for third consecutive time. PM Modi has given India a new identity in the world through his work. Under his leadership, we are seeing a new India. Under his leadership, Uttar Pradesh is moving ahead and working as the leading economy of the country, said Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath during the event that was held in Varanasi. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said today PM Modi will transfer 20,000 crore to the bank accounts of about 9.25 crore families with the single click. So far, about 3.24 lakh crores have already been transferred to the bank accounts of the farmers. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan facilitated Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Varanasi. PM Kisan scheme was launched in 2019 to supplement the financial needs of all landholding farmers subject to the certain exclusion criteria or higher income status. The financial benefit of 6,000 rupees per year in 3 equal installments every 4 months is transferred into the bank accounts of the farmers and the families across the country through direct benefit scheme. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.